Welcome to Infield Observations. So it is absolutely amazing where technology has taken us over the last few years. And the technology I want to talk about today is the use of drones for pesticide applications. Now, spray drones are not going to take over all of our pesticide applications, but they definitely have a niche. And in my opinion, the two niches that they fit is being able to target those areas that we cannot get traditional ground rigs, traditional airplanes, or even ATV or UTV applications. We're able to get in those really deep ravines, tight spaces, and we're able to go after those pests, in particular those noxious weeds. Number two, just the idea of precision ag with these. Instead of spraying a whole field for a pest outbreak that might be only on a few acres, we're able to use those drones and target those areas. And by targeting those areas, we're reducing the overall cost of that pesticide and the production for us. And number two, we're reducing our footprint on pesticide to the environment and to ourselves. Now, how do I use this technology in the state of Nebraska? There are two certifications you need. Number one, you need to be certified as a commercial aerial applicator with the Nebraska Department of Agriculture. Now, to do this, there are two tests you have to pass. That includes general standards and aerial applicator. The resources to help you prepare for those tests can be purchased at pested.unl.edu, and Department of Ag has various testing locations throughout the state throughout the year. Number two, you also need to pass or get certified in the FAA Part 107. And for this certification, a fellow extension educator, Dirk Charleston, is offering classes across the state to help prepare you to take that FAA Part 107 certification. You take those steps, then you're able to use those spray drone technologies on your operations, or even explore hiring a neighbor or a business in your area to use that technology.